Hey folks, of course you've seen we got our new chicks in today, and I'm going to show you how I handle them, and I'm going to put them in the brooder. But I'll show you the most important thing you got to do when you get them, and right here they are. They came in the mail today. I got 22 brown sex links, which are like a brown production chick, and then I got 5 olive layers, and I got 3 leghorns, which are a white egg layer. So that's all there. They all came alive. They all look really healthy. This is the black sex link right here. And the most important thing you got to do, I think, is make sure they drink. Now I've got water here, and I've cleaned this out, and I added a good tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put its beak down in there. Now I know what, I seen that right there. I seen him, see how he's drinking that, or her? So she got her a good drink of water, and it's got that apple cider vinegar in it. And that's kind of like an electrolyte to them. They give them a little boost there. So I've already fed them goats. Don't pay no attention to them. So this chick right here is ready to go. I'm going to put her in the brooder. And then I've got a feed down here for them too, so. I don't really necessarily care about seeing them to eat right now. The only thing I'm really worried about is drinking. So let's do another one. Let's get one of these. This is called an olive egger, and it lays a green egg. But you can tell it's pretty. So let's see here. So if you have to force that down in there, see there? That little chick right there is drinking. So that makes me happy. So I'm gonna put this in there. I'll do one more, then I'm just gonna get fast.
Oh, one fell out, Mark.
They're easy to catch right now. So how did it fall out?
I don't know. I just seen it fall. I don't know if when you raised up it like flopped it up.
All right, so let's do this one. This one right here is feisty. I've seen that chick drink. I like it. So like I said, I got 22, and this is the start of our new flock. I'm actually going to raise this up to about maybe 200 chicks. So I'm going to do about 30 at a time until I get there. And I'm actually going to probably do something a little different. We'll try the white fencing, and you'll see that as we go. But main thing right now, I got to get the chicks going. So I'll order these, I'll get them up and put them outside in a thing, and then we'll order 30 more, and we'll just keep going until we get to where we want. So let me put this up, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on this and get her done. And when I come back, I'll tell you my feed philosophy. Yes, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, there you go. Help me one time. Okay. In there, it took me about 20 minutes. It takes a little time to do that, but I think it's well worth it. And you can see they're already drinking, they're already eating. They're real healthy, and I'm real happy with them. So my philosophy on the chick feed I use is I start them out on a good medicated feed for the first 10 pounds, or for the first, these will probably go through that in about a week. Then I go to an unmedicated regular feed. So I think it's kind of important. These are layers. My Cornish cross I don't do. I just use unmedicated because they don't live that long. They're only 6 to 8 weeks, and I expect to get, you know, at least 3 years out of these, or hope to. And like I say, so I start them out of a medicated feed, and then it works through the system, keeps them good and healthy, and hopefully they'll be okay. So I'll keep y'all updated on it. That's my philosophy. Make sure they put some apple cider vinegar in your water. I do about a heavy teaspoon per gallon. Make sure they drink, and then I give them a good chick feed. And you can see they're eating like crazy now. It didn't take them long at all. And I think these were hatched on Tuesday. Today's a Thursday, and they mailed out Tuesday afternoon, and I got them on Thursday. And I had them, especially in the winter time. You're more apt to get them. They come in with some dead ones because they like to get real tight together, and they'll smother some of them. These are all right. I mean, it's hot as blue blazes out here, so I'm not even going to put a light on them, I don't think. I really think in this type weather, they're tougher if you don't put the light on them for some reason. And it might not be true, but I've always seemed like the ones I've raised without a light seem tougher than the ones I've raised with a light. Now, if it's cold, you got to. And later in the fall, when we get more, we'll have to put lights on them. So I'm gonna raise these without lights, and we'll see how it goes. I guess we'll know in the morning for sure. And so there you go. That's my philosophy. Apple cider vinegar in the water, a good medicated feed to get them started, good brooder, keep them up off the ground, keep them out of their, I got a pan underneath that so all their poop falls down. And if you get one with a pan, I won't put shavings in there. I didn't do that to start with, but I'm gonna get some shavings, put in there, make it easier to clean up. All right, so hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. Watch our videos now, our lives on Monday night, 7:30. Be there. Me and my wife, we do a live question and answer, talk about anything you want to. So come over here Monday nights at 7:30. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm in the next video.